We have to be corruption free from home first before we are corruption free out there. So what the other thing now there, our program will play trainings. By the way, only the way you are, I think I need to clarify on that issue. By the Parliamentary Service Commission, in fact, are the coordinators by 10 nowadays. In one individually, your group, you are not receiving any money yet as salary, but you will be getting your allowances and other things as you are working. I believe by next year, we will have organized. And also, when an opportunity comes, that is why the way we can serve. You are now becoming us. So, Mwesiki, Mumenti, Usanui, Wakan. He must go away, Erosano, Humana, Ramana. I want this team to be very together, to be hardworking, to be very successful, so that then we can now move to the next level. I wanted to say something else. Under Chapter 174 of the Kenyan Constitution, the objects of the Resolution 175, guiding principles, 73, responsibilities of leadership, the role of the Senate is representation, protection of counties and their governments, by making sure that we legislate laws and make bills, make sure that we create what is called a division of revenue so that you are secretary of then you have what is called, you must perform the oversight function. The Senate. The county assembly, if I was there, the county assembly should be able to do what we have done. But now, they don't have the capacity. So maybe you know what you will deal with now from the Senate office. Go to some money, no and it was. Are we together? Yes. So, I am saying, once you understand our role, you are the people who are going to become the protectors of the revolution. The reason why the revolution is failing is because it doesn't have many custodians. We don't have people who believe in public service. We have people who believe in getting rich quickly so that they can have a lot of money, so that they drive very big cars. If all of you die and the medicines in the hospital and there's no drinking water, it wouldn't mean anything. So now what are we saying? Now we are going to be the custodians. Do you know what I mean? The relationship between the county government and the Senate is not adversarial. We must never quarrel until when there is a must. We are going to set subcommittees amongst yourselves. Which will form subcommittees kwitanga tolere kwiyekana yiyekana. Do you understand where we are? Madam, no, you will remember that. Let us make sure that area. Amongst your group, you are going to form a WhatsApp group. You are all coordinators. When anyone of us can stay in the same group, there's no problem. You and me, or usually more. We will be getting instructions into Chihoka. Every meeting you will post. The person who's supposed to be doing that, they use my name. Oh, yeah, is the gentleman there? He will be posting at the rock, copper, and the wall, and what the activity is doing for, and what is needed for that activity to be successful. So, what are the things you are going to look at? Can somebody tell me, Madam, you are going to see what?